Welcome back to Numeracy with Miss Hake. We are still having lots of fun learning our names and our 2D shapes. So what you're going to do is you're going to find that you have a pile of 2D shapes to play with. They could be foam, they could be ones that you've made, they could be blocks, they could be shapes that you just have. So you're going to mix them all up in a pile, and we're going to try to match our shapes with the name of them. But before we do that, our hands have to have a little warm up. We're going to trace or connect the dots, all of the names of our shapes. So you're either going to get a highlighter or a pencil ready, and we're going to start by printing the names of the shapes. So let's go. Ooh. All right. Down and across. I remember that. G. O. Down and around. Triangle. Ooh. Let's sort through our shapes and let's see which one's the triangle. Do you remember how many sides a triangle has? I think it's the pointy one. Am I right? 3 sides, 3 points. All right, let's see this. C, O. Now this was that silent C. Circle. Oh, I know which one a circle is. It's round. It reminds me of donuts. If you're in Canada, it reminds me of Timbits. It reminds me of the wheels on my truck. Circle and I, we know each other very well. Now let's see the next one. Air. Square. Do you remember which one was the square? I know it has sides. It's between this and this. Were all the sides the same, or was it a squished one? That's right. All the sides were the same. Square. Rectangle. Okay, between this one and this one, which one's your rectangle? That's right. It has 4 sides. I'm going to put it there. And that means my last one is my oval. Yeah, reminds me of an egg. So now I have them all ready. Matching, matching, matching. Now I'm going to try and quiz myself some more. Putting my marker away. I'm going to scramble them up again and see if I can play. All right, let's see how fast Miss Hake can go. Rectangle. Whew. Oval. Perfect. Circle. Square. Triangle. Pretty fast. Can I have a round of applause, please? Make an oval round of applause. Ooh, bravo. What about a circle round of applause? Can we do a square round of applause? What about a triangle round of applause? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now you get to mix your shapes up and try to match them with the words you just printed. See if you can do it so many times that you're super, super fast and it's absorbed in your brain. Have so much fun today. See you soon.